Welcome. This is a 6-minute easy morning yoga stretch. As always, feel free to skip any poses or modify if and when needed. We'll begin in a comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you, and just rocking the head forward, side to side. So ear to shoulder, ear to shoulder. And then we'll draw the chin up towards the sky, ear to shoulder, ear to shoulder. So stretching the front of the neck this time. Great, we'll come into the shoulders, so just making some big circles here, or just lifting and lowering the shoulders, whatever works for you today. And then we'll come back to center, just circling the waist or gently rocking side to side. So really just kind of observing and getting into the darker corners of the body, along the spine, into the side body. And breathing, so breathing and creating space. Great. Inhale, the hands reach up. Exhale, gentle twist towards the left, so just gazing over that left shoulder. As you exhale, softening the shoulders. Maybe take another breath here. Feel free to breathe as deep or as shallow as you need to today. Everybody's going to be different. And then we'll inhale, lift up. Exhale, twisting towards the right. And we'll gently come back to center, shake it out, take a moment. Go ahead and come into a tabletop. We'll send the hips towards the heels. Now you can keep the knees together or knees apart, whatever works for you, coming into a child's pose. Hands reaching forward or just to your sides. Option here to modify, placing pillows between the hips and heels and underneath the torso for added height and support. You can also place a block underneath the forehead or some books for less of a stretch here. Utilizing your inhales to create that space. Exhale, softening the body wherever you can, the shoulders, the hips, the belly, the arms. Let the hands be heavy. And we'll gently release. Take your time. We'll go ahead and lift the hips, tuck the toes, send the hips back towards your heels, or lean forward, taking that weight off the feet. So just awakening the root of the body, the feet, getting the blood flowing here. And we'll gently release, shake it out. Take your time, come to standing, however works for you. We'll take the feet nice and wide and just begin to gently sway the arms side to side. Be silly here. Feel free to have a bigger sway or a smaller sway, whatever works today, whatever the body needs. And we'll start to slow our sway, coming back to center. Feel free to bring the feet together. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, release them back down. Inhale, reach, nice big breath. Exhale, release them back down. Inhale, reach, biggest breath you've taken today. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste.